from SOS Global. We've got a great workshop to do with you today, all about staying safe. Okay, who here has seen the Jeremy Kyle show before? Can you please put your hands up? Yes. Okay, I can see most of you here. Yeah, okay.
That's the thing.
Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to create your own chat show. So, the people who have got the envelopes, so could you stand up please, open your envelope and tell your group what your show's going to be about. So it's about drug awareness, so if you can read out.
My mum chose drugs over me.
Okay.
I know I'm only 13, but I'm going to make a great mum.
Do the
Initiation test.
initiation test, but I had to do it to be in the camp.
My friend gets violent whenever he or she drinks.
Hello, and today we're interviewing this case on cyberbullying. This is our bully.
Hello.
What did you do?
I set up a Facebook account for this man here, and I basically put bad stuff about him on it.
What did he say about you?
I'm ugly.
Have you made any Facebook accounts about anyone else?
This person here.
What did he say about you?
That I was a bad person.
Oh! Let's see what Security Steve says about this. What do you think about this?
Outrageous.
Oh, he says it's outrageous. Now, as the mother of the bully, do you think he's a bad kid?
Yeah, I think he's a terrible kid.
Well, who wants to adopt a child? Oh, he looks suspicious in the corner. What do you think?
I don't know really, I'm just here to see Jeremy.
Alright. Yeah. We'll come back later with the DNA tests.
Hello, so today on the show we have a mom who's so addicted to drugs she named her children after them. So, when did you start taking drugs?
When I was 4.
And where do you get them off?
Do you have any?
I don't think so. So, what do you think of this?
I love my drugs.
And your husband?
Yep. I prefer drugs to the herbo. Oh.
So you're one of her sons?
Of course. The crap man.
And yours? Shut up. What's your name? Your name?
Sorry.
So when did you last feed your kids?
Oh, I spent all my money on crack.
Do you actually care about your kids?
No.
And what do you think about your mom being addicted to drugs?
Disappointing.
It's a waste of time. Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Hello, welcome to the show, and today we're with Granny, Gang Wannabe, and Gang Member.
Whoa.
She says, I didn't want to do the initiation test, but I had to be in the gang. What did you have to do?
I had to rob her.
What exactly did she do?
Well, I was walking to Greg's and bam, she came out of nowhere.
Does that pretty much sum it up?
Yeah.
Why do they have to do the initiation test?
Become a part of my gang. They need to rob someone.
Your gang sounds pretty rubbish. Getting people to attack old ladies.
It's horrible.
What did you do for your initiation?
I attacked an old man.
That sounds nice. Is there any other gang members here today?
My gang.
Please come out. So what was your initiation?
I had to rob a kebab shop.
Tasty. So what did you take?
$1 kebab. So.
Should have given one to me. Anyway, did she hurt you?
No, not really. She just took my purse.
Do you think this is okay?
I don't know.
Well, it isn't.
Hello and welcome to the Jeremy Carl Show. Okay, why are you here today?
Apparently I get violent when I drink, but I can't remember that, so you know.
Well, what did you do when you get drunk?
Be sick in the morning.
We have some friends here today for you. First of all, Spring and Rosie. What's this woman done when she's got violent in drinking?
She's been breaking windows and she's been disturbing all the neighbours. She's addicted to alcohol. She's to sort it out.
Do you agree with this?
I don't know, I can't remember.
Has she got any kids?
Yes, 3.
Are you sure? Have you ever hurt these kids?
Not that I know of.
Has she?
Yes. Have you seen the marks on your third son's nipple?
Okay.
That's a different thing.
We have one more person coming in here. Kizzy.
You drink alcohol!
Security! Security! Okay.
Steve!
Break it up! Hamza, now, has she ever done anything to you?
Yes, she's drunk a lot of alcohol and she's hurt me.
How did she hurt you?
She punched me in the face.
Okay.
This is why I have to mind business.
Okay. Hamza, did you do this?
I don't know.
Have you witnessed this?
I witness it every day.
No?
Alcohol addict!
Okay. We've done a test here today to see if she's actually an alcoholic. Here's the answer. I'm sorry, darling. You're an alcoholic and you need to go to therapy.
Thank you, guys, please. Thank you all for taking part in our show. Today has highlighted that the decisions that you make now will have an impact on the rest of your life. So please choose wisely. We do not want to see you in the future on the real Jeremy Carl Show.